So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be showing printer paper and printer ribbon replacement. And you'll need the following items. The operation manual has the full instructions. In particular, you'll need a crosshead screwdriver. So start by removing the printer unit from the chassis. Removing the printer writing block. Place the printer on top of the chassis and first of all remove the old paper roll. By cutting the paper here, and then just remove the piece of paper from the printer. Next we're going to be replacing the printer cartridge, so undo these two screws and then place the printer top plate on top of the chassis, being careful not to put any strain on the paper advance button wires. Now to eject the cartridge, depress at this end and just support the other end gently as it comes out. So that will then pop out, and discard the old cartridge. Then unpack the new cartridge. And always check that this ribbon is straight when it comes out of the packaging, and if necessary just rotate this wheel clockwise slightly to make sure the ribbon is straight. And carefully place it into position, and then re-secure the top plate with the two screws. Making sure these screws are tight. Now, taking your new printer roll, make sure you have a shallow V cut in the leading edge of the paper, and this will greatly ease the paper feed. So, in this orientation, feed the paper into the paper slot, and then maintaining a little bit of forward pressure, depress the paper advance button until the paper appears on the top side of the printer, and maintaining the tension on the roll, reinsert the paper holder and the screw, and then carefully reinsert the printer into the chassis, returning the paper writing block, and then at this stage let's just check that the printer is printing correctly. So If necessary, bring the machine out of standby. And then go through the menu and bring up time, date, and print that.